my channel. I hope you all are doing great. This is the day 4 of my 7 days daily upload challenge where I'm uploading one useful video every single day. Today's video is especially for the students, freshers, and anyone who is looking for an internship or a job. So, tell me one thing, have you ever spent hours creating a resume only to realize it doesn't look good professional? Or maybe you have found a good resume website, but it asks you to pay before you even can download your resume. Well, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you some of the best free resume builders that can help you create a professional resume in just few minutes. So this video is not only for the engineering students or the tech students. This is for the each and every students out there who are searching for a job, who are applying for a job, who want their resume to build it up. It is just free. Okay, you can watch it till the end, and these websites are going to be very useful. So I'm going to show you how they work also in this video. So take some time of yours, and just this is not going to be a very much long video, so take your time and just watch it out. It's going to be really helpful. So without wasting any more time, let's go get started. As you all know, first one is Canva. Most of us already know Canva is for making the presentations, creating social media pictures, videos, docs, okay, sheets, or any of the website designing, okay. But it has also an amazing free resume templates. Just go for templates here. If you go for templates, just type resume. You have a number of resume templates which are almost for free. If you just click one, you will have this customize this template, okay, and you can do it any of things you want. You can add a page, you can have that thing in यहाँ पे आप लोग edit कर सकते हो. This is the great template. Also, you have n number of templates here which are always for free of cost. Okay, these are for premiums, but uh, other also इससे भी कम नहीं है. So you can use this also, okay, and this is what I found it. Canva has a lot more to do. Next comes reactive resume. Reactive resume is now changed to Resume Gemini. So just click on this website. And honestly, this is one of my personal favorite. I have not yet built my resume for like to give to the any of the company to apply it for. I've just created it. Now, when it comes to the Resume Gemini, you can just see it over here. You just have to log in to your account here, which is for only for free. Then you have to you don't have an active resume like, so I have not created it. Of course I had created it, but I've deleted now. So just to show you all, and so just you haven't created any resume yet, so just click on create resume now. So it's completely free, easy to use, and has a very clean interface. Okay, you can also add your education, projects, skills, certifications, and standouts where you have been selected, okay. And then you also add an experience and then download your resume as a PDF. So if you're preparing for the placements or internships, definitely check this one out. It's going to be very useful one, I can say, rather than anything. So yeah, now comes resume.com. Just type in the Google resume.com, which is this website. So this website is perfect for beginners because it guides you through the entire process step by step. Like, I haven't used it yet, but I have just went through these all things, points and all. It also has AI writer into it, and built-in jobs where you can just search for a jobs also here. And then just fill in your information, choose a template, and within a few minutes your resume is ready. So it's simple, fast, and also beginner friendly. Next comes Go Resume. This platform, just type Go Resume here, and then just click on the first link, which is official website of this. Okay, I've just logged in, and this is, you can just see here, create my free resume. So this also doesn't have any of the payment options or any kind of subscriptions. So you can choose this template, fill in your details, and customize this according to your needs. So if you're looking for something simple and easy to use, Go Resume is worth checking out. Just do it, guys. It's all for free, and you can just create your own resume. Now coming to the next one is FlowCV, FLOWCV. Okay, this is the first. This is the official website for FlowCV. Just click on it. One thing I really like about it is how easy it is to customize everything than anyone. So you can rearrange the sections, edit content quickly, and create a neat professional resume in just few minutes. Like it is actually a beginner friendly also. You have to choose a template from here, edit the personal experience, fill your resume with content, will guide you along the way. So everything, it has also AI is built in into it. So customize layout and design, you can do anything what you want. So rather than creating in Word your resume, these are the very useful websites. So you can just check it out. So choose from 50 plus resume. These are all for free, guys. These are everything for free. You can just check it out. Make sure you have this all in your bucket list. Okay, now coming to Resume Genius. This is the sixth resume builder, okay, which I feel which is very user friendly. It is called Resume Genius. So this is the free resume template. Okay, resume builder. Just a minute, guys. So yeah, this is the free resume templates for 2026. Download a Word and copy of that. This is the Resume Genius website for creation of resume. As the name suggests, it helps you to build the resume by giving suggestions and examples of different sections. If you don't know what to write in your summary, skills, or experience section, this website can save a lot of time. So it's especially useful for freshers things, like who are fresher, who are building their first ever resume. This is something which are very much useful for. Okay, then comes very importantly Google Docs resume templates. So this is powered by Google, of course. Many people completely ignore this option, but it's honestly one of the easiest way to create the resume. Okay, and just open Google Docs, go to the template gallery, choose a resume of your with your own choice of interest, and replace the sample details with your own, and just download it as a PDF. Okay, it's completely free, simple, and works really well. One thing I would like to tell here is any of the these ask may or may not ask also, because as far as I know these are for free, and this Google thing is completely 24 bar 7 free. So it doesn't ask any 1 rupees here. So just you have to sign in over here and then create your own things. So especially unless and until you sign in, it will not take you to download thing. So it is completely safe. So you can just sign in, and then you can just have a look into it. So my top 3 recommendations, like if I had to recommend only 3 resume builders from this list, this would be top picks. Like at the number 3, I would recommend Google Docs, which I showed you thing, because they are the completely free and very easy to use. At the number 2, I have this Canva, okay, which is always an interesting thing. Also, it's attractive. And the modern, you also have that modern resume designs. And thanks to its, like, literally thank you for that beautiful and attractive resume builders. And at number one, my recommendation is reactive resume. Reactive resume is just like resume Gemini. Okay, so because it's completely free, professional, easy to customize, and perfect for the students as well as freshers. So these were my favorite three resume builders that actually work. I hope this video helped you to find the right website to build your own resume without spending any money. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If it really motivates me to keep creating more such useful content. Also, don't forget that this is my 7 days daily upload challenge. So I'll be back tomorrow with another interesting and helpful video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. And comment below which resume builder you're going to try first. And if you know any other than free resume website, let everyone know in the comment section. Thank you. Till then, stay safe, keep learning. Bye bye.